Laravel 13 version is coming, so I am installing the Laravel 13 version. Click the installation process, click here, and comes there firstly Windows PHP version minimum, and in the command here you can paste Windows PowerShell. We are using this. So this is a run administrator set process the and minimum is php.new Windows version minimum 8.4. so we have to install minimum 8.4 version in the PHP. Okay, we have PHP version is PHP version 8.2. so we are trying the 8.2 by one click, paste here, click installer now. Laravel is 5.4 and 5.2 install version. Okay, when you click now, click here the Laravel new Laravel 13. Not working here. When you click the valid only not supported here, it not works the process. You have to go the XAMPP install make again copy in here. So we'll same the issue is same. So if not work, so we are using this alternative command Laravel project name Laravel 13. So we are using this here. Clear the project. Sorry, in this way this is not working here because of our PHP version is below the 8.4. so we have it is running not working. That's why we have need to work the 8.5 version. We have to set up. So our PHP version. This is the PHP version. We are changing the PHP version is here. Click this. Everything is working here. So we are 5.4 copy. So rename. Let's click the rename. So we have to change the PHP version to make it Laravel 13 version, to use this the Laravel 13 version. So Laravel 13 version never opened in your below the 8.4 PHP version. You have checked this here, there is located 8.4 minimum bit. So we are installing this, then we are try. Thank you.